Boston is the largest city in New England, the capital of the state of Massachusetts, and one of the most historic, wealthy, and influential cities in the United States of America. Its plethora of museums, historical sites, educational institutions, restaurants, and wealth of live performances all explain why the city gets 16.3 million visitors a year, making it one of the 10 most popular tourist locations in the country. Boston is a city of gorgeous neighborhoods: Beacon Hill, historic downtown, Back Bay, the North End, the West End, Fenway, the waterfront, Charlestown. Just across the Charles River is the city of Cambridge, home to Harvard University and MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Science. Hey, I have new videos like this coming out twice a week. I'd hate for you to miss it, so go ahead, click the subscriber button and ring the bell. It's a charming city famed for Fenway Park, its world-famous baked beans, lovely parks, and historical landmarks. Each Boston neighborhood has its own personality, attractions, delicious restaurants, and interesting places to see and activities to do. Because most of its best attractions are concentrated in just a few key areas, Boston's compact size makes touring a breeze. Getting around is simple and quick because you can quickly stroll from one place to the next. Focusing on the top attractions on your must-see list firstly, and then finding additional fascinating locations to visit nearby, is the ideal approach to start organizing your Boston travel schedule, especially if you'll only be here for a short time. Get to know the real Boston by walking around the historic parts of downtown Boston, dining in Chinatown, watching the Red Sox, and visiting the Museum of Fine Arts in Fenway Park, admiring federal architecture in Beacon Hill and Bay Village, and exploring streets lined with beautiful Victorian mansions in Back Bay and the South End. Save time for a Bruins or Celtics game in the West End, a tour of the USS Constitution and Bunker Hill in Charlestown, a play or two in the Theater District, the lively South Boston waterfront, and Fort Point's unique food and art galleries. When you need a break, chill with an espresso and cannoli at one of the North End's delectable Italian eateries or bakeries. Downtown Crossing is a bustling pedestrian-friendly area of Washington Street in Boston's downtown district, which also contains the financial district and a piece of coastline. Downtown is attracting an increasing number of residents thanks to the installation of glamorous condo towers, nicely renovated older buildings, several famous restaurants, and a luxurious Roche Brothers store. There is a massive Macy's department store here, as well as branches of big discount shops and other only in Boston stores and boutiques. The wonderfully renovated Modern Theatre and Paramount Theatre are owned by Suffolk University and Emerson College, respectively. When you visit the various prominent restaurants, pubs and hotels, it's easy to understand why this region is so popular with both visitors and locals. There are several visitor pass programs that offer discounted or free admission to a number of the attractions, among them the Go Boston card and the Boston City Pass. Depending on the length of your stay and what you want to see, either program could potentially save you quite a bit of money. Boston may be known as America's walking city, but it also has a well-developed public transit system that will help you get around easily, from Harvard to the harbor. The Massachusetts Bay Transportation Authority manages Boston's public transportation system, although residents refer to it simply as the T. It provides service to nearly every location in the Greater Boston region and beyond by subway, bus, trolley car and boat.